Keep your head on a swivel. Could be anywhere.
In the doorway!
Hostile down!
Got eyes on the target! Give me some cover! I'm on the move!
On our way! Hang tight!
Hostile with a shotgun coming our way! Watch yourself! Shit, these guys aren't letting up!
Tango down! I'm reloading!
On the move!
If I can move,
Stand back! I kill him!
Shit, got a hostage situation.
Got one!
You're gonna have to talk fast, boss. He's fading.
We're here to help. Just stay with me, all right?
Forgive me. They took McPherson. You gotta find him.
We will, but I need you to tell me where they took him.
They took him to the nest.
Nest, all right, good. And what about Conrad? Is he still alive? God damn it. Lugo, mark the bodies on tack. Adams, check outside for tracks. I want to know what the hell is going on in this city.
Got multiple tracks headed north.
Then we follow him.
Not to argue, but this ain't exactly within our mission parameters.
Yeah, well, our mission went from recon to rescue the minute we found U.S. soldiers butchered.
Bucking orders. I like it.
Orders ain't worth following if it means leaving people to die, Lugo. Conrad's still alive. I think he is. I know he'd agree with me.
Tracks end here. Guess this is the nest.
Yeah, it's quaint. Very post-apocalyptic.
Just don't get cocky. Remember, these guys already took out 4 soldiers and kidnapped another.
Careful, they got a lookout.
Below, on the walkway. Put him down.
Reloading!
Ain't nowhere here now. Grenades. Lots of them. Looks like someone's stocking up for winter. We should grab what we can carry. No point wasting them.
Get into cover!
Watch it! Shock with the turret's gonna rip us in half! We got grenades, let's use them! Got it! Engaging target!
Unprovoked assault on the 33rd today means, you guessed it, an end to the ceasefire. All insurgents wishing to surrender, please report to your nearest outpost for processing. We now return to our regularly scheduled broadcast. Here we go.
Let me go on record and say this shit just got weird.
Fuck weird. This is out of control. Not only do they got people here, they got a fucking DJ. We need the radio command ASAP.
No, not yet. Conrad and the 33rd need our help, and this soldier can lead us straight to him. Once we know the 33rd is safe, we'll radio for evac.
Reloading. Grenade out! Hostile down!
Cover me! I'm Oscar Mike!
Who's over there? İşte şimdi bizim şansımız.
Heads up, shotgun! Coming for us! Heads up! Tango trying to move!
Hostile down.
Where the hell did they go? That was too easy, boys. Heads up! Roger that.
Fucking Christ! Move, move, move, move!
It's a fucking ambush! Take cover! Got one!
Enemy on the move! Swapping mags! Got one! Coming from the right.
Focus your fire!
Watch and learn, baby! Tuck it down! Who's next?
Lugo! Get your rifle on my target!
Second floor.
There!
You're in the open! Take cover, goddammit! Target's getting antsy! Watch it! Shotgun headed our way! Hey, you motherfuckers! Don't you know when to quit? Take a breath! Keep firing, Sergeant!
Stay cool, take your shot.